set. And see the play thing for it. There is lots of wrapping, that's all I know. Oh, and you have to build it. You have to build it. Oh my god, all of these pieces for the Fingerling. And I have no idea how to build this, but I'll try. So I think this is where you climb to the monkey bars. And this is the swing, and this goes at the bottom. This is like where they play in the sand. And also you need scissors for this because there's lots of cutting you have to do. So and I might need a little bit help for putting it together. I might. Yeah, I think I need help putting this together. How does the instructions say? So, got two flags. You have two flags, so how do I put this together? So now I'm gonna put together the Fingerling, monkey bar, and swing. So this part goes here like this. You gotta match it. And you should ask Adam for help because this is pretty tricky. And this one goes here. Then I put these here, like so. Then get the swing ready. Then I put swing stuff, the swing here. Like, oh, hold on, it's backwards. Like, it's supposed to be like this actually. Swing part is a little bit hard to do because it keeps on turning. Well, wait. Now I gotta put the two flags at the side, like this. and like that. Then I put, this is kind of like the swing, but it's different. Here, like this. And now I could put my fingerling in. I can put my fingerling in here, like this, so it has space, and the tail has to go up to the back. Now I can put the unicorn kind of like the same. Tail has to go to the back and goes to the front, like this. It's a little hard putting the unicorn because it's not a monkey. This is a monkey playset. And now I'm done. Well, this is the Fingerling set, and I hope you enjoy watching me build this. Please like and subscribe down below. Bye, until next time.